Hi, hello, namaste, vanakkam, adab and welcome back to Bandari Studios. कैसे हो दोस्तों? Hope everybody is good in their health and a very happy new year to each and everyone. And in today's video, we are going to take a boat ride at Sukhna Lake, which is incredible, man-made, gorgeous, beautiful lake which is present at the foothill of Shivalika river. Why the wait? Let's go and take a boat ride at Sukhna Lake. Here we go. Today we are here to do a boat ride at Sukhna Lake, which is one of the beautiful tourist spots of Chandigarh, present at Sector 1. There are a lot of boating options as you see. We have pedal boat, dinghy boat, bass boat and electric boat, etc. And the average price for a boat ride is about 350 rupees per person. Sukhna Lake is open all the days, Monday to Sunday, 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Here we go. Here is a steamer boat coming on all the way, and this is the boat we are taking today for our boat ride. Sukhna Lake also have a membership base club which has different activities like swimming pool, gym, tennis court, boating, kayaking, sailing, rowing, sculling and water skipping are the part of this club. These are the activities which are active throughout the year. The lake is about 1.52 kilometers long and 1.49 kilometers wide, which covers an area of 3 square kilometers. It has an average depth of 4.69 meters. The original depth of this lake is about 18 feet, but due to the heavy silt deposits, the depth has reduced to 8 feet and 6 inches. Sukhna Lake was the creation of Corbusier, the Swiss-French architect, and P.L. Verma, the chief engineer. It was constructed in the year 1958. Sukhna Lake also has a wildlife sanctuary which is located around about 2 kilometers away from the lake. This lake is declared as protected wetland by Government of India. It is a sanctuary of many exotic Siberian duck, storks and cranes. Most of the people visit the lake for a walk and some come for a jog. And people do visit this lake every morning and evening. And few people come here to exercise, whereas some people come here to do cycling. Some children here come with a roller skates and families come here to do time pass. And few come to enjoy the nature. I am one of them who come here to enjoy the nature. Sunset is amazing here and the people love to capture the photographs. There are also the food courts, the fast food points and the shops nearby the lake and the people enjoy food. Please like, share, comment on this video. If you are here on this channel for the first time, please do subscribe and support our videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.